Welcome back to Solve Zone.
Today we are solving a Class 8 mathematics problem from Volume and Surface Area, Exercise 20A.
Look at the cuboid shown here. Length, breadth, and height are the three dimensions of a cuboid. Length is 22 centimeters, breadth is 12 centimeters, and height is 7.5 centimeters. To find the volume of a cuboid, we use the formula length times breadth times height. So, 22 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 7.5. The final answer is 1,980 cubic centimeters. To find the lateral surface area of a cuboid, we use the formula 2L plus B times H. By substituting the values of length, breadth and height, we will get 510 square centimeters. To find the total surface area of cuboid, we use the formula 2LB plus BH plus HL. The final answer is 1,038 square centimeters.
Watch part 2 for next questions.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.